Remember the tricks. These 2, 10, 4p, 4. This is the electronic configuration of atomic number 34. Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the general electronic configuration of periodic table. This topic is most important for any chemistry student. I will give you a tricks you can easily calculate the electronic configuration of the element in the periodic table. So please don't skip the video. Now, above principle. The energy order of the orbital is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6d, 6p, 6d, 7s, 7p, and 8s. Now, the energy order 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s. This is the energy order way. The energy order is first 1s, then this way, then the 2s, then this side 2p, then 3s, and similarly first p side. This is 3p, then 3d, then 4p, then 5s. Similarly this side, similarly this is 4d, then 5p, then 6s, then 4f, 5d, 6p, and 7s, 6p, 7s, then 5f, 6d, 7p, 8s, 7p, 8s. All over we know this is n plus L rule, the energy order. Lowest energy level, the first electron enter in lowest energy level. Now the tricks for calculation of electronic configuration. The tricks is that you will remember the noble gas electronic configuration. The noble gas we know helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Now helium, this is the atomic number 2, this is 10, 18, 36, 54, and 86. Remember the tricks. The number is this 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, and 86. Remember 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86. Now the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of inert gas. Helium, all over we know this is 1s2. Second, neon. Neon, the electronic configuration, this is 10. First helium, then 2s2, 2p6. Principal quantum number increase. Then argon, the first neon, argon, this is 3s2, 3p6. Principal quantum number increase. Then krypton, this is argon, 4s2, 4p6. Sorry, this is a mistake. This is 4s, then 3d. So 4s fill up, then 4p fill up. So 3d also fill up. So 3d 10. Then xenon, the electron configuration krypton, then the 5s2, 5p6, and 4d 10 similarly. And radon, this is xenon, this is 6s2, 6p6, and 4f14, and 5d 10. remember the electronic configuration. So first 1s2, then neon, helium, 2s2 2p6, neon 3s2 3p6, principal quantum number increase, 4s2 4p6, then 4s2 4p, then middle 3d, and similarly 5s 5p, middle 4d, 5s 5p, middle 4d, 4d 10, and 6s 6p, middle 4f and 5d, middle 4f and 5d, 6s 6p, middle 4f and 5d fill up. Now the tricks is 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86. Now suppose the atomic number 34, the electronic configuration of this atomic number. First you see the atomic number of noble gas before the atomic number 34. So 34 before the atomic number 18. So first 18 is argon, this is argon, so first you draw the argon, this is 18. Then the subtract the value 34 minus 18, so remaining this is 16 electron, remaining 16 electron. Then argon, the electronic configuration we know, this is neon 3s2 and 3p6, and the orbital of energy level, this is 3s and 3p, then 4s, 3d and 4p. Now the electron, s having 2 electron container, s having 2 electron, p having 6 electron, d having 10 electron, total s 2 electron, p total 6 electron, and d 10 electron. Now first energy, lowest energy s, so s having 2 electron, total 16 electron remaining, so for 2, and d having 10 electron, so 10 plus 2 equal to 12, and remaining 4, this is 4. So the electronic configuration is argon 3d 10 4s2 4p 4. This is the electronic configuration of atomic number 34. Now second, another example. Suppose atomic number 72. So 72 before the atomic number 54, before the atomic number of noble gas 54. So 54, this is the xenon, so xenon 54. So subtract the value 72 minus 54, so remaining this is 8 and 1, total 18 electron fill up. So xenon, the electronic configuration is krypton 4d10 5s2 and 5p6, 5s2 5p6, 5s2 and 5p6, and remaining orbital is 6s, 4f, 5d and 6p. Now we know s having 2 electron, p having 6 electron, d having 10 electron, and a containing 14 electron. Now this 18 electron, first s having 2 electron, then f having 14 electron, f having 14 electron. Now d having 10 electron, but remaining this 14 plus 2 16 and remaining 2, so this is the electronic configuration p0, no p electron. So this is the xenon, first principal quantum number 4f 14, then 5d 2 and 6s2. This is the electronic configuration of atomic number 72. Atomic number 85. Calculate the electronic configuration. So before the 85, this is 54, atomic number 54. 54, this is the xenon. Xenon, the electronic configuration 4d 10 5s2 and 5p6, and remaining orbital 5p6 5p, and remaining this is 6s, 4f, 5d and 6p. Now the subtract the value 85 minus this is 54. Now 1 3 31. Now s fill up 2 and f, this is 14, and d this is 10. Now 14 10, 2, this is 26, and remaining 5, and this is 5. So the general electronic configuration: G0 principal quantum number 4f 14, then 5d 10, then 6s2, then 6p 5. This is the answer of the atomic number 85 electronic configuration. So the tricks is 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86. So have to remember the tricks. You can easily solve any electronic configuration. So I will give you more tricks. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe. Thank you.